Are you looking to upgrade the instrumentation on your 1973 to 79 Ford trucks? Then look no further than AutoMeter's InVision Digital Display. This is a complete dash system that's going to monitor your speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and voltage, all on a 12.3-inch high-definition LCD screen. So this kit's going to come with pretty much everything you need to complete the installation. So you're going to have a universal wire harness, your water sender, oil sender, and then all of the other instruments are going to utilize the existing connection points on your vehicle. Your speedometer is compatible with OEM, aftermarket, as well as GPS signals. Tachometer is 1 to 12 cylinders configurable, so regardless of the engine type, this system is going to be able to work on your vehicle. Now, as far as the other senders are concerned, fuel level is programmable, and like I said, it comes with your water and oil senders, so you're pretty much ready to go right out of the box. Now, this is an injection molded dash, so the great thing is it's very rigid, it's durable, it's strong, and it's going to utilize all the factory mounting locations. So your original dash will come out, and then this will go right in its place. So there's no cutting, drilling, modification to the original pieces required in order to install this. Now, other cool bells and whistles that you get, you've got turn signals, high beam indicators, and you even have individual instrument warnings. So when you're driving along and some warning condition comes up, you'll get two indicators, both on screen with a red indicator light, and then you also get an audible alarm that'll let you know that there's something going on with the vehicle. Now, like I said, this is a complete dash system, so it's going to come with everything you need. But when you're looking to upgrade that internals on your 1973 to 79 Ford trucks, please check out the AutoMeter InVision Digital Dash when you're doing your shopping.